Hey guys, it's Daisy from Currys, and today we're taking a look at 3 things we love about the Samsung QN700 Neo QLED 8K TV. You get eye-popping true 8K resolution, amazing picture detail and contrast thanks to quantum matrix technology and quantum mini LEDs, and cinematic surround sound powered by Dolby Atmos and object tracking sound light. So we're going to head to the lab now where we're going to meet Ben to see what else this TV can do. Welcome to the lab. Hello, Ben.
Hey, Daisy.
So this is the Samsung TV that we're taking a look at. Of course, there's another TV here. We're going to compare the two shortly. This is actually in HD. But over to the Samsung TV first. You've obviously watched your favourite movies over and over again, but you never would have seen anything like this before.
Yeah, obviously 4K Ultra HD looks great, but this Samsung TV packs in so much more detail. 33 million pixels, and it looks awesome.
It does look so good. Now, we actually wanted to see how much detail you could pack into a TV. So the team went out to London, they went to Leicester Square and visited Garden Rooftop, and they filmed some footage, and we've got it here in 8K, and we've got it here in HD. So we've got a fun little game for you, Ben. Think Where's Wally, but instead find the Currys colleague in purple. So you'll be comparing the two. Technically, you should find it easier to spot the purple colleague on the Samsung TV because it's so crisp and clear. So I'm actually going to time you, and I'm going to give you 30 seconds. You okay with that?
Yep.
Where is the Currys colleague in London? 10 seconds down. Go lower, go lower. We're on 20 seconds. You're looking...
There she is.
Okay, 25 seconds there.
Okay.
That was pretty good going.
Yeah.
I mean, you can still literally see most of the detail, can't you? That she's wearing shoes, she's in a purple jacket.
Yeah. How much darker the image is on the HD screen versus on the 8K. And there was no way that I was going to find her on this screen. You can't even tell that she's wearing purple on this. I mean, the difference in detail is crazy. And to be expected. Now, obviously, this is all well and good, but most people are going to be like, what can I actually watch in 8K? And that's why this TV is so good. It has a really powerful processor that upscales all the content. So you could take this content, play it on this, and still have an 8K experience. So
we're going to go into more detail about the contrast and colour next. But first, let's get the studio back to normal with just our Samsung TV. So Samsung have introduced a game-changing TV display technology, which just takes picture quality to the next level, and that's quantum mini LEDs.
Yeah, and these finer LEDs, which are 40 times smaller than other LEDs, means that the contrasts and the display have a much tighter range of control, so everything looks way better.
So quantum matrix technology works with precision to control these mini LEDs, and that's what brings you those amazing bright colours and those really dark blacks as well. It's a level of contrast that you just don't find with LED TVs.
Yeah, absolutely. And that means that movies that you watch are going to be way better because you're going to get those nice darks in there, but also stuff like sports, which is really colourful, is going to get a new level of real.
So Ben, if we take a look at the speakers, because this is the first time that it's supported by Dolby Atmos, so that's how you get that amazing cinematic surround sound. So whether you're watching something that, you know, has helicopters flying above or rain thundering down, it's just going to sound so real.
Yeah, that and object tracking sound light gives you a virtual 3D audio that follows the action on screen. So the TV uses AI and the bottom speakers to project sound overhead, giving you a really cinematic 3D audio experience.
Yeah, it's really impressive. But I do think this is something that you have to see to believe. So if you haven't seen 8K before, definitely come into one of our stores to see it for yourself. You just can't see the pixels. It's just pure detail. If you want to find out more about the Samsung TV, you can visit us here in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.